You guys, so in this part 4, I start tackling the interior of the vehicle, and there was just a lot of trash and debris and pet hair, and just it hadn't been detailed so long that it was just going to take me a long time to get all of these cracks and crevices and everything that had been neglected for so long. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and have fun watching the video. So as I got further back into this trunk area, I realized that having a fold-down tailgate with a third row storage area with the third row seats, it makes it so much longer that my 6 foot, I think it's 6 foot or 7 foot hose, wasn't quite long enough to reach, and I ended up having to pull my DeWalt vacuum up on the tailgate just to be able to reach some of these areas. So I ended up ordering a 20-foot hose, which hopefully I'll have some time to install here soon to alleviate that problem again. So if you just keep watching here, you can just see that every little area, carpeting and flooring, was just full of just junk, and this is not going to be a quick detail in the least bit. Then with the third row seats and the second row folding and sliding, it was just going to take a long time getting into all these cracks and crevices to get everything clean, but that's what they paid me to do, and that's what I'm going to do. So even though this Land Rover was absolutely filthy and destroyed, I do have to say that the quality of the Land Rover carpeting really helped be able to vacuum this thing up pretty decently, a lot better than a lot of other vehicles that I've had to vacuum junk up. due to all the dust and debris that was still kind of accumulated in some of the corners and things. Used my tornado to blow everything out, and then I popped up the third row. I'm like, oh, I guess I need to vacuum that area. We don't want to be blowing all that crap around. So I vacuumed that up and then continued to use the tornado. So these Land Rover seats suck on the second and, well, mainly the second row, just to move them. But I was vacuuming under here and I found, I don't know what that is. Is that meatball throw up? There's another something over there too. Can you see that? Dude, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna get some gloves and pull it out. Alright, let's get gloved up. Let's grab the big one first. Oh, it's an avocado. I thought it was like a piece of poop. Let's see what the other one is. I think that one. Okay. Whew. Crisis averted. Just a petrified avocado. Alright.
Alright, so I'm finally done here. Let's take a look. This is a big job. There's a lot of dirt and debris. The seats were a pain to move. These things were filthy inside. Much better now. Our old dog slobber anymore over here. Much cleaner. To the other side. All my stuff scattered around. And my needles. Door jambs aren't all nasty anymore. Seats are looking good. Yeah, they should be happy. See back how they had it. These are much cleaner. This thing's touchy. These wheels were filthy. Got them as clean as I could. Got the McGuire's Carnauba wax on there. Nice and slick.